Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. And today the question is, do you need that little edge to keep you accountable with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet? Well, I'm going to tell you and suggest to you a way to get that little edge to keep you going, to propel you from week to week in terms of your accountability and sustaining the diet plan. And the essential tool for the keto diet is the food tracker. Yes. You know, the keto diet is an excellent way to lose weight, improve your health, boost your energy levels. But as with any dietary lifestyle change, it requires strict discipline and commitment to the plan. One essential tool that can help you achieve success on a keto diet is the food tracker. Now, tracking what you eat and monitoring your nutrient intake is crucial to ensure you staying within the recommended parameters of the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. In this video, we will discuss a food tracker that can help you monitor your carb intake and other nutrients to achieve your ultimate keto goals from day to day. Now, a food tracker, number one, helps you stay within your carb intake limits. It tracks it for you. Counting carbohydrates is very, very critical when you're on a ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Eating too many carbs can kick you out of ketosis, the state in which your body burns fat for energy instead of carbs. A food tracker can help you monitor your carb intake and ensure that you stay within the recommended ranges for your carbs for your particular situation per day. It can also help you identify carb-heavy foods and make healthier substitutions to keep you on track with your keto. So the carb tracker is very valuable to you. Now, it tracks your protein and fat intake also. Another critical aspect of the keto diet is maintaining the right balance of protein and fat intake. The food tracker can help you monitor your nutrient levels and ensure that you're getting enough protein and healthy fats. It can also help you identify sources of unhealthy fats and make healthier food choices if needed. Keeping your nutrient levels in check will help you reduce cravings, stay fuller for longer, and maximize fat loss. Now, of course, the food tracker provides accountability and motivation for you. Accountability and motivation are essential when it comes to sticking to a ketogenic lifestyle and diet. A food tracker can help you track your progress, see how your nutrient intake relates to your goals, and provide motivation to keep going. Seeing tangible results in your tracker and sharing them with others through a support group can make you more accountable to reach your short-term and ultimately your long-term goals. Now, the food tracker can also identify nutrient deficiencies, especially with the newer trackers like Chronometer. A food tracker can help you identify nutrient deficiencies in your diet. On the ketogenic lifestyle and diet, it's easy to focus on low-carb foods and forget sometimes about essential nutrients for your body's needs. A food tracker can help you monitor your vitamin and mineral intake and identify deficiencies if there are any. This way, you can make necessary adjustments to your diet and avoid any potential health problems. And also, the food tracker offers variety and creativity. Finally, a food tracker can help you explore food options, recipes, and meal combinations to keep you motivated and inspired while on the keto diet. We all need variety. Experimenting with new ingredients and recipes can be really exciting. and help you stay committed to your goals. A food tracker can also help you keep your meals interesting by offering a wide variety of food options and combinations to choose from. So variety is the spice of life, and variety of your foods in the ketogenic lifestyle and diet will help you sustain your lifestyle ongoing. Now, in conclusion, if you're on a ketogenic lifestyle and diet or planning to embrace the lifestyle, a food tracker is undoubtedly an essential tool in your journey to success. It can help you stay on track with your nutrient intake, monitor your carb intake, and provide accountability and motivation, identify nutrient deficiencies, and offer a variety and creativity to your meal planning. Therefore, invest in a reliable food tracker app like Chronometer or MyFitnessPal or Carb Manager, and make it an integral part of your keto lifestyle to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. So that is my discussion today. If you have any questions, please provide them below this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that, you being a part of my life. And I always love to impart great information about keto that can help everyone in terms of sustaining the lifestyle and really enjoying trimming down, feeling good, and enhancing our health. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk to you all again tomorrow. Take good care. Bye-bye now.